First Turkish turbofan engine prototype unveiled. Turkey's TAI Engine Industry, TEI, showcased its engine solutions for the aviation industry at the Izmir Technology Fair. The first engine assembly of the TEI TF6000, the national turbofan engine that the company has been working on for some time, was also displayed at the fair. This engine will power Turkish drones, the TUSAŞ 3 and Baykar Kızılelma aircraft. TEI General Manager Mahmut Akşit told reporters that they set a goal at the Ankara Technology Fair to have a prototype ready for the next fair, which they have achieved. Akşit explained that accessories, cables, and pipes will be added to the prototype and said, "Our team is working as fast as possible with serious dedication. With the work being done day and night, it was completed the day before the fair. Our entire team is also printing the calendar. Our state needs it. I hope we will see it work and fly." Akşit explained that they follow the design, plastic modeling, creation of a fair model, real prototype, real engine production and flight processes for every new engine, and said that the TF6000 engine is also in the early stages of the development process. When asked when the sound of the engine would be heard, Akşit said, "Let me not give a date. We are working as fast as we can. From the last show to this one, we went from a few parts to a finished engine in a few months. Hopefully, it will not take too long. Our team is working as hard as they can to make sure it is not too long." Noting that there are UAV, helicopter, and aircraft engines needed in the defense industry, other than rocket and electric motors, Akşit said, "The country has gained UAV and helicopter engine technologies with the work they are doing." Mahmut, Akşit said, "Aircraft engine technology was left. This engine will confirm that Turkey has now acquired aircraft engine technology. It is such an important turning point. After acquiring the technology, it is a matter of time, money, and project design to make it bigger or smaller. The most important thing is to get the technology first. After that, we will be able to adapt it to the required applications as soon as possible." Thanks for watching. Subscribe Defense Lab's YouTube channel for aviation and defense industry news and updates.